have introduced the measures which are suggested by the authorities to protect the people, like we have installed hand wash and sanitizing machine at the entry point of the campus, and nobody is allowed to enter the campus unless he is sanitized and his temperature is taken at the gate by the security staff. Inside the campus, we have installed sanitizer in various points. We encourage the staff to go for hand washing as frequently as possible. We have been recalling the staff to come in small batches to report back. When they come back, we insist for a certificate from the respective Sarpanch to say that the area is not affected by COVID and the person concerned is also not affected in any way. After that also, as an abundant precaution, we put them to quarantine for at least 7 days in our campus, and after 7 days, if everything goes well, then he is asked to report for duty.
During last 3-4 months, our teachers have been able to conduct classes online. Students have participated very spontaneously and complete their courses, appear for examinations online. We have already announced our academic calendar. The moment they are online, they will always realize their teacher is in front of them. They should attend all the classes. Those classes are scheduled on different days. If they miss the class, it's a loss to them. So that they are not only, attending classes, but they are also able to take their exams so that their education will not be meaningless.
Combating COVID-19 situation, we have established various safety measures and social distancing protocol, keeping the sanitizers at various places in various building blocks. Sanitizers have been provided to faculty, staff, and the areas like offices, mess, and various common places have been disinfected at regular intervals, and we have displayed signages in different places to promote awareness, and we have designated one of our staff member as a COVID-19 safety officer who is ensuring that various measures are being implemented regularly.
We are not entertaining anybody physical presence. However, if you are interested to take admission at Birla Global University, everything would be online. Visit to the website, which is www.bgu.ac.in. From filling up the forms to your admission, everything will be done online. Either you will get a call for counseling or you will be getting a video call from our admission office for clarifying all your doubts related to admission.
Before the lockdown started, almost 90% of the students had got placement, and recently some companies have again started the recruitment on online basis, and I am sure that in near future all our students will be placed in some companies.
Pandemic situation will not stop us providing quality of education. We can provide quality education more than what we could have done in the physical class. Therefore, never think that quality of education will go down just because of COVID.
Our students who are out of the campus for last 3-4 months, we are missing them all. The campus is becoming lifeless without the students, and we are eagerly waiting when they will come back to the campus and the glory of the campus will be restored. I wish them all the best. Let them stay safe in their home, and the time will come again we will meet.